Uh, yes, hello students. In last lecture, I have taught you about the arbitrary deletion, and it is a complicated topic. And so I just give you brief idea about the arbitrary deletion, and after that, I am going to solve three numericals based on arbitrary deletion. Arbitrary deletion, basically there are 8 cases. Basically there are 8 cases. In the when we first of all, some the few basic things about the arbitrary deletion. When we delete a node, and that node is replaced by the its successor. If its successor is of black color, then in that situation we need to perform the arbitrary fixer. If the delete node, that successor node that is replacing the deleted, taking the place of the deleted node, is of red color, then we simply replace that node and color that node in, change that node color into black, and we do not need to perform any arbitrary fixer procedure. But if the replace node that is the taking the place of the deleted node is of black color, then in that situation we need to run the fixer procedure. When in arbitrary deletion step, we mark the node that is being deleted as Z, and the node that is being replacing that node is marked by variable X, and initially Y is set to Z values, means Z is equals to Y, and it is replaced by the X nodes. And depending upon these, there are numerous we find out what is the location of X with respect to the parent, when X may be the left child or X may be the right child. When X is the left child, there are 4 cases. When X is the right child, there are 4 cases. You need not to very differentiate, remember all these 8 cases differently. Just remember 4 cases of any, and next you can automatically recall just by replacing right by left or left by right. So I am just giving you the brief idea about these 4 cases, and after that, pause. And after that I shall solve a few numericals here. So in last lecture I have already explained these cases, so I am just giving you the brief idea about these 4 cases. The first, decide what is the location position of the X with respect to the parent, whether it is a left child or right child. I am taking the case when X is the left child of the parent. Then there are 4 cases. Case 1, when X is the sibling W of X is of red color, and in rest of the cases the color of the sibling is of black color. When sibling is of red color, in that situation what we do, we simply change the color of the sibling into black and parent color into red, and we perform the rotation between parents and sibling. Okay, so in these situations, I have in last class, the X is the left child and X is the left child, and in this case W is the right child of the parent. So the inclination is in right direction, so definitely the rotation will be a left rotation. Okay, and after that, this rotation, what we have done, we have changed the color of sibling into black color, and the color of parents has changed to the red color. And after the rotation and color change, what we do, we find out the new position of the X. This is actually the right child of the W. This is the right child of the W. Right child of the W. This is the right, just a second. This is the right child of X parents. Okay, the X parents position has changed after rotation, and whichever element is the right child of the X will be the new X. The case 2. The case 2 is the most simple one. In case 2, the sibling is of black color, and the sibling is of black color, and its both children are of black color. In that situation, we simply change the color of sibling into red, and we shift the value of X to the new position, that is of parent. Means X is shifted to the parent's position. And in case 3 when sibling is of black color and the left child is of red color. In this situation, we change the color of left child of sibling into black, and we perform the right rotation between sibling and the left child, and the sibling and the right child. In this case, the right child of the parents x becomes the new value of x. In case 4, the sibling is of black color and the right child is of red color. In this situation, we we perform a rotation between parent and sibling, not parent and child. In case 3, we perform rotation between the sibling and its left child. In this case, the rotation is performed between the sibling and parent, and the parent color is transferred to the sibling. It may be red or it may be black. It may be either black or red depending upon the color of the parent, and the color of the parent is turned into red. So this is the case 4. So we have already studied all these cases, and now we shall start solving some few numericals. So I start with the simple one. Just a simple example, question 1. The question is 20, 18, 22, 17, 19, 21 and 25. Color coding is B. B means black, R, black, 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 red and red. Here we are deleting the node 22. Deleting is made after delete node 22. So what here 22 is being deleted. So 22 is the z is equals to 22. It's equals to y, and its successor, the node that will take its place, is x. Its successor is 25, and the successor color is of red color. In case the color of successor is red, then we do not require any fix-up procedure. We can simply replace that value by the successor element. So we need to run fix-up procedure only when the successor is of black color. The reason behind is because when we replace a black node by a black node, then at that situation the black height of the red tree get disturbed. We sometimes mark this node as the double dark node or double black, something like that. But as per RB tree, a node can either be black or red. Double black is not as per RB tree property. So here the situation, red node is taking the place of the black node. So we simply shift this node to replace this node by this x value, and while loop will be terminated, and after the while loop terminated, and we color that node into black, because in the algorithm you will find out that the while loop start running only when the x is equals to black. When x is equals to black, then while loops runs or fix-up procedures run. If the x color is of red color, then we simply go out of the while loop, or we simply replace that element and change the color of that node into black. So after the replacement, this will convert as 20, 18, 22, 17, 19. Instead, in place of 20, 22 will be deleted and will be replaced by 25. At start, the 25 was of red color, but after while loop, the last statement was that change the color of the x is equals to black. So it would be converted into a black color. So you can verify this also by checking the black height. Here the black height is equal to 2, here the black height is equal to 2, here the black height is equals to 2. So in simple, this is the simplest case in which the replacing node is of red color. Simply replace the deleted node by its successor. If its successor is of red color, you need not to run the fix up procedure and just replace that node and color that node with black color. So okay, that's so next question. The question 2. Okay. The question 2 is 21, 16, 22, 15, 20, 20. Black, red, black, black. Red. Again delete 22. 22. This is the second question I'm taking. Here also I am deleting the tree structure is different. In this case also, when we will delete that, then z is equals to y, and this will be the successor node of the deleted node. So it will be replaced by its successor. Successor is of red color. So successor will take place of that node, and that node will be converted into the black color. So after this 16, 25, 15, 20, 19. Black. Here again you can check that the black height is maintained throughout the tree. So this is the same as previous one. So when you it is not like that. You always need to fix up after deleting an element. If the successor is of red color, in that situation simply replace that node, and after placing that node, color that node with the black color. That's all about that. You need to run the fix up procedure only when the replacing node is of black color. Then there are total 8 cases, and depending on the situation, you will apply the case. So these are the simple one in which I need not to go into the various fix up cases, but in the next example we shall find the replacing node will be of the black color, and in that situation we shall apply the different cases and to maintain the arbitrary properties. So the third question. Twenty-three, 16, 24, 15. Black. Here I am deleting 24. 24. Here the question is different. Here I am deleting 24 node that is of black color, and its successor node is also of black color. So now this is the case of arbitrary fix-up because the successor node is also of black color. So what we shall check out which case should be applied here. So Z, this is the node that is deleted, will be marked by Z, and the successor node will be marked by X, and in this situation Z is equals to Y, and after that here in this case the value, here the W is the sibling node, here the W is of red color. This is the most simple example. If W is of red color, then case 1, and if W is equal black, then we shall go into the case 2, 3, 4. Here the parent is it is the right child. Position of X relative to the parent is a right child. So we shall simply apply the case 1, but all the term will remain same. Just in place of left we shall place right, and in place of right we shall replace left. So what we do in case 1? In case 1 we change the color of sibling. This is the example of case 1. In case 1 what we do? We change the color of sibling into black, and color of parent into, after deletion it will be like this. Sorry, if you get confused, I replace after drawing. Okay, so simply the node will be deleted, and after deletion it will become like this: 23, 16, 25, 15, 20, 14, 19 and 21. Now this is the position of X, and this is the W. It's of red color. Okay, then in this case, after deletion, applying case 1, the red is color of sibling will be changed to black, and color of parent, which was black, will be converted into red. And after that we perform the right rotation between the sibling and parent. What we do? We perform the right rotation between parent and sibling. After this rotation, this will turn into this figure: 16, 23 rotation, right rotation हो गया आपका. This left part will remain connected, 15 and 14 and 23 with remain connected with 25. Okay, and its left child will become the right child of the parent. What we do in right rotation, the right child of the child become the left child of parent. So after this, 20, 19, 21. Okay, the color has changed because earlier the sibling was of red color, now it is of black color, and parent was 23 was parent and it was of black color, now it is of red color. And after that the all the rest of the nodes were of black color. Okay, now the color will remain same: black, black, black. Color change occur only at the position of the sibling and parent. So rest of the nodes will remain of the color which they have initially. So this figure will like. Now the next line that important: after every case you will find the position of new value of X. Then what it will become, the parent's right child will become the next new value of X. So parent's right child, initially the parent was 23, parent's right child will become new value of X. So parent's right child means 25 will become the value of new X. In each case you will find the value of new X until the X becomes of red color. In that situation you will stop the procedure of fix up. So again this is the position of new X. Okay, right? What I am repeating it one again. So again, here the sibling was of red color, so case 1 was applied. In what we do in case 1, we change the color of sibling into black, change the color of parent into red. After that perform the right rotation between the parent and the sibling, and after that find out the new position of the X, which will be the right child of the parent. Parent will be of the initial state. not after rotation. Okay, so this will be the value of new x, right? Now you will not stop here, because with respect to x, now after this what will be the value? Yeah, here I have drawn the diagram like that. uh, Level are not maintained. Keep in mind that you should maintain the level so that you do not get confused while recognizing the parent, sibling and sibling. Okay, now this new value of x, now with respect to this new value we shall decide which case should be applied. Now with, as this is the new x, you can simply say that this is the new x, or x with respect to this x, this is the sibling. Okay, and now the sibling is of black color, and both of its children are of black color. This is the case second. In case second, sibling is black and both of the children are black. In case 3, sibling is black but left child is red. In case 4, sibling is black and right child is red. But here both of the children are of black color. So we shall apply case 2. Okay, so applying case 2, I am rubbing this part. I shall write it backward, in backward direction now. So now we shall apply case 2. In case 2, we change the color of sibling into red. This will convert it into red, and the value of x would be the parent of x. And this is the simplest case. Just x value pointer shift to the parent and the color of the sibling change to the red color. So after this, this will appear, this will look like this: 23, 14, 20. Now it is of red color, but just 25, 19, 21. Do not forget to find out the new value of x. Now x will shift to the position of parent of x. Okay, this is all these nodes are of black color, right? Black, and this is black. Okay, this is 23. This is of red color. This is of red color, right? After this was red here. Okay, after this case 2, now this is the value of x. X has shifted to the parent position. Now again here now again we find out that with respect to x, this is the sibling, and what are the procedures that we need to run? If after this new x has shifted to this position, and here x is equal to red, here I have told you that whenever x is equal to black, then only we need to run the fix up procedure. Here x is now of red color. In situation when x is of red color, then we go out of the while loop and we simply terminate by just changing the color of x into black. So after this the while loop terminate, and we simply end with converting the x value as black, x node as black, of black color. 23 into black, 14, 20, 19, 21 and 25. Now you can verify this by checking out the bracket, that black, 3, black, 3, black, 3. So this is the example where the arbitrary fix up has been applied. So with a little bit of practice, you may easily command over it. And this is I think that little bit complicated, but after practice, you may easily do these type of numericals. Just remember that your case are proper and very clear in your mind, and after solving that, whenever x value become red, then you need not to perform the fixer. Whenever x is replacing node x, that is x is black, then you need to run the fixer procedure. There are 8 cases, but they are very similar to each other. So by generalizing, you need to just remember 4 cases, and you can easily apply these. You solve these numericals. Thank you.